Good morning guys, welcome back to YouTube channel, welcome back to another episode. In the episode we'll be covering Zoom meeting app. This is one of the company who survived and made profit in 2020 lockdown. I will try to explain all the steps regarding this app, starting from how to install the app, how to create a meeting, how to join the meeting, how to share the documents across the participants, how to do chat with other participants, and how to leave the meeting, how to end the meeting. All the details will be explained on this video. So guys, watch till the end, subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open Google Play Store. Here you can search for Zoom Cloud Meeting. Select that and install Zoom Cloud Meetings on your mobile. After completely installing the app, just click the open button. As you know, Zoom is one of the best video conferencing app, especially when you're doing with 100 and more people. Here you can see, when you open the app, you will get two options here. First of all, you can directly join a meeting by giving the meeting ID and password. You will be able to configure whether your video is to be on or audio to be on. And the second is, you can sign in and then create a meeting by yourself. Let's click the sign in button and go to the home screen. You can make use of your Google or Facebook account for signing into the app. Here I am using my Facebook account. All you need is to give your name and your profile picture and email address from your Facebook account. Once you have given these details, you have to verify your date of birth. After verifying the date of birth, you will be navigated to the home screen of Zoom meetings. On the home screen, you can see four main functions are there. Among them, the first is new meeting function. By clicking new meeting, you will be able to create a new meeting by yourself. From there, you can invite other people on your meeting. Second is join a meeting. If you want to join an already going on meeting, then you have to click join button. All you need to provide is the meeting ID and password. Third is schedule a meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting on the future, then you have to click on schedule meeting button. And the last one is share screen. If you want to share anything on your meeting, just click on this share button. You can share your screen, document, photos, or even whiteboard. Anything can be shared by using this share button. Let me start with creating a meeting. For that, you have to click the new meeting button. Once you click that, you can see you will be given with two options here. First of all, do you want your video to be on? And second is, do you want to use any personalized meeting ID? Select as per your requirement and then click the start meeting button. Since I have given the video to be on, you can see me on this video. If you want to flip the camera, there is an option on the top where you can flip the camera to the front or back as per your requirement. If you want to stop the video, just click the stop video function on the bottom. You can see by clicking that, the video will be stopped from your side, not the meeting. While doing meeting, if you want to share anything, just like photo, document, or any whiteboard, click on the share button on the bottom. You can see by clicking that, here I am selecting a whiteboard and you can make use of a pencil for writing anything here, and that will be shared to all your meeting participants. I will come to the sharing part once we will add more people to this meeting. Let's go and add more people to this meeting. For that, click the participants button on the bottom. By clicking that, on the new screen you can see you can invite people by clicking the invite button. You can invite people by emailing or Google Hangout or from your contact manager. Here I am selecting emailing function for inviting another participant. Yes, as you can see, the Gmail application is automatically open. All you need to give is the to address. Once you send the message, the participant will receive an email with a Zoom link. When the participant click the Zoom link, there on his device, the Zoom application will be open. First of all, the participant have to give a name. Here he is giving the name as partner, and he will be directly able to join the meeting once it will be approved by the creator of the meeting. Here I have approved it and the participant is able to join the meeting. Any participant can leave the meeting whenever he wants by clicking the leave button on the right top corner. Now let's come to how we can share the whiteboard across all participants. For that, just click the share button. You can see here you have to select share whiteboard. Anything you will write here, it will be shared across your participants. Here is a live demo. You can see whatever I am writing here, it is visible on the participant screen. If you want to share any photo or document, here I am selecting photo. From the gallery you can select it. It will be displayed on the participant screen also. Sharing is absolutely precise. You can share anything as you want, just like photo, document, Excel sheet, or from anything from the Dropbox or web URL, screen, whiteboard. Anything can be shared across your participants using this Zoom app. Just like the participant can leave the meeting by clicking the leave button on the top, the creator of the meeting can end the meeting by clicking the end button at the top. There are more options at the bottom. You can see if you want to chat, there is option to chat with your participants. Absolutely, this is one of the best options to create a meeting with 100 people on your basic plan. If you want more people, you can go for more advanced plan from the Zoom website. On the basic plan, it is advised to participate only 100 people for 40 minutes. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video, I covered Zoom meeting app. If you have any doubt or questions, write in the comment section. Like, share the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.